What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and today I have got you 5 pretty well known tech tips for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's a bit of a mouthful. So, these are things you may already know, but in case you don't, here's 5 tips for you. Let's check them out. Number 1, multitasking. So as we know, multitasking is a great thing on Android, and it's made even better with the size of this display. So, simply put, if all you need to do is open up your app that you're going to be using, and then swipe across here at the side, click on another app, drag it over, and bosh, there you go. You want another one? No problem at all. Just drag it across, just like that. Also, what you can do is you can swipe across here, hit this little pencil icon, and then you can save this configuration. So you'll see up here in this corner, that'll save the 3 apps that you've opened, and as a shortcut, you just hit that, boom, there they go. Number 2, reverse wireless charging. We all know this day and age, wireless charging is pretty much a feature on all good phones. So reverse wireless charging is also a pretty good feature. So what you do for reverse wireless charging is swipe down from your notification center. You'll have wireless power sharing. If you hold and press, turn that on, flip that over, place your device on the back, Bob's your uncle. Wireless charging. Yes, I did put an iPhone to show the wireless charging. It doesn't mean anything, honest. So number 3, keyboard modes. As I'm sure you can tell, with a device of this size, keyboard modes can be something that you might want to customize on this just to fit your needs. But there is a couple of built-in options for you. So plain and simple, within your device, you have your option here. You've got your full keyboard. You can split that keyboard in half, or you can make that keyboard float if that suits you better. There's lots of options there for customizing your keyboard. And also, what you do if you hit down in the bottom corner here, you have lots of different options there for keyboards as well, which is also a good feature. So lots of different options there for keyboards on this device. Number 4, screenshots. I know screenshotting is quite a simple thing on a lot of phones these days, but you'd be really surprised actually how difficult it is to do a screenshot on this device. Simply because your screenshot sequence is your volume down and your fingerprint button here. Sometimes it can be difficult to get it to screenshot. So a little tip for you, get your palm and go right across the screen, and boom, that'll do a screenshot. And it'll also work on the front display as well. Funky. And number 5, camera modes. So there's lots of different functionality within the cameras of this device, and one of my favorites is flex mode. So open up your camera app, and if you put it into flex mode, you'll see there the top screen will become the part for your camera, and the bottom screen will be all your other bits and pieces, you know, for selecting your modes and all your bits and bobs. Also, it works out quite good as a tripod. Great. And last but not least, the best function of the camera that I found in this phone is selfie mode. Selfie mode on this is pretty good, simply because you can use those rear cameras to take a good selfie, and with the telephoto and ultra wide lens, it's better than the front facing camera. So how do you do it? Quite simple. When the phone's folded over, open up the app. You'll see a selfie icon up in the top corner here. You press that, it'll tell you to open up the phone, and voila, the front screen becomes your viewfinder and you're using those rear cameras. Boop. Just like that. That's all from me today, guys. I hope you like these videos. If you did, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Subscribe button should be like right here. It'll really help me out in the channel. If you want to see more of these videos, please let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Alright, thanks guys.